Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the heart of a bustling city. Here, nestled amidst the urban landscape, lies a remarkable home, the House of Concrete Walls. This architectural gem is a testament to the power of design and a deep appreciation for nature. The House of Concrete Walls is more than just a dwelling. It's a reimagining of the traditional house format. The architects sought to create a space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, offering a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. Concrete is the defining element of the house, forming two imposing walls that structure the entire space. The architects have used this material in innovative ways, creating a sense of raw beauty and industrial chic. The interplay of light and shadow on the concrete walls adds depth and character to the interior spaces. The house is designed to maximize the connection between indoors and outdoors. Large glass windows and sliding doors blur the lines between living spaces and the surrounding garden. The central courtyard, with its circular skylight, brings natural light into the heart of the home, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Light is a key element in the House of Concrete Walls. The architects carefully considered the placement of windows and skylights to create a dynamic and ever-changing interplay of light and shadow throughout the day. The use of double-height spaces and open-plan layouts further enhances the sense of spaciousness and airiness. While the house embraces a modern aesthetic, it also incorporates sustainable design principles. The use of natural materials and the emphasis on natural light and ventilation contribute to a healthy and eco-friendly living environment. The House of Concrete Walls is a true masterpiece of contemporary architecture. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and find tranquility within your own home. The architects have created a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, offering its inhabitants a truly exceptional living experience. This project is a bold and innovative approach to urban living. It's a home that challenges traditional design concepts and offers a fresh perspective on how we can interact with our surroundings. What do you think of this remarkable home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating architectural tours.